Hey friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Grant, Sandy Shores Grill Outdoors. Hey, I got looking around the kitchen here, and I was going to figure what can I use to make turkey muffins and kind of stuff like that. So I got some tender flake dough biscuits, what I had in the fridge. I rolled them out to about 3 or 4 inch. Rolled them flat, stuffed them with turkey, right? Nice turkey I made yesterday. Stuffed them with turkey, closed them up, like pinched them off, closed them right off. And got some baked mushrooms and put them on top with Parmesan inside. Here's the other ones. And we're going to bake them for like 10-15 minutes. Yummy. And that turkey turned out fantastic, didn't it?
Yes, it did.
Oh, it turned out so soft. Let's put these in for 10 minutes or so, 15 minutes. And let's see how they turn out. Stick around. Yummy. Oh, there's bacon bits too, yeah. And I got them at 400 degrees. And let's put them in. Let's see what they look like in here. Ooh, yummy. Rising up just fine. Few more minutes. Let's take a look at these bad boys here. Yummy. Oh, does not look good. Sorry for shaking here. We got about 30 seconds. Let's get them out. Yummy. Do not touch the pan.
You serious?
Will you just look at that?
Oh, would you look at this?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Will you look at that? They smell great too. Wow. We'll let them see how they're nice and browned off. Now they're warm. Check just under them. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. By the time they cool off, they'd be perfectly done. Let's just see what they taste like. There we go, friends. 15 minutes. It's all done. Check out the bottom, see what they look like. Oh,
Dear God in heaven. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful.
No words. No words.
nice and tan. Got that right. Garlic mushrooms. Turkey wrapped in tender flake biscuit dough.
That is a fantastic idea. Why didn't I think of that?
And stuck on mushroom on top and just a little thing of butter to keep everything from burning at all. In the hot 400 degrees, away you go. Should we give it a try? Should we give it a try? Hey, what do you think, John?
Sure, why not?
I got to close my computer here because I got a buddy on there I got to watch. I'll be able to give it a try. You want to use a fork or just bite into it?
I want a fork.
Should be good. Test drive one of those mushrooms. Nothing copyright on table? No. Oh, yes. Turkey's nice and tender.
Okay, come on. Well, we'll do this. Oh, yeah.
Nice.
And,
Oh, yeah.
and the mushroom to go with it.
This tender flake. Where are we at here? Flaky dough.
Mmm. And the mushroom is really juicy.
Awesome.
Mhm.
I think a white into that thing. Is it too hot, I wonder?
Yeah, that is for me. You could probably bite into it. No, that's really
good?
It is
That-
excellent.
That turkey turned out fantastic yesterday.
Yeah, see?
Oh, look,
Look
at
at
that.
the steam.
Nice.
Excellent.
Oh, look how flaky that is, eh?
Yeah.
I like it.
Mm,
It's good, eh?
it's good. It's really
Let me
tender.
test drive one of these. Here, go ahead. Yummy. Oh, yeah. The mushrooms are cool.
Yeah.
Mm. Okay, friends, if you like that, thumbs up, please subscribe, leave a comment. Hey, look at them hors d'oeuvres. Okay? Easy to make. 15 minutes on the old countertop. Yummy. God, I like it.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Please subscribe. Bye for now.